How to share a folder or drive on Windows. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can do that. First off, open up this PC and go to the folder or the drive that you want to share. So let's say if I want to share this drive, I'm just going to right click on it. And then from here, you're going to have to go to show more option. And now you can give access to, click on this and then go to advanced sharing. All you have to do now is go to advanced sharing again and click on share this folder. Now you can give it a different name so that the viewer will get the drive name different. And now you could just limit the number of simultaneous users. So if you want to decrease it, you could do that. So let's say if I just want 10 people to work on it at once, you can do that. Add comments if you want. And then the most important step is go to permissions. If you just want this to be read only, you could just set this to read. If you set this to change, they will be able to make changes to this. And if you set this to full control, then all of them will be able to change permissions and other stuff like that. So I'm just going to set this to read for now. And then let's just click on apply and then OK. And then click on apply and then OK again. And then close this out. And as you can see, you'll see this little green arrows indicating that the drive has been shared. So if you head over to network, you should be able to find the shared folder right here and they'll find their access as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.